What's up everybody? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about budgeting, especially for college students. If you're a college student like me, you know college is a little bit expensive, and not having a financial plan can be a fast track to stress. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing some gems on saving money using discounts, student plans, and more. Let's go. The first and most important thing about budgeting is you gotta have money. So tip number one is to strategize your finances. In college, there are multiple ways to make money. One of the easiest ways is to get a job. This doesn't have to be an on-campus job, but I prefer them because they usually work better with my schedule. And commuting from work to class is a breeze. But off-campus jobs are cool too if they suit you better. Now, tip number two might not apply to everyone, but here it is. Ask your parents for money. If you're lucky enough to have supportive parents ask for allowance, this can be a great way to learn how to budget, especially if you have to pay them back at some point. For example, if your parents give you $100 a month, save some of it for emergencies. If you also have a job, save at least 20% of your paycheck and use the rest for spending. If you can save more, great, but start with 20%. Now let's talk about limiting your expenses. In college, you won't always have to be luxury to spend freely. Be disciplined. If you can only go out and eat once a week, stick to that. Remember, part of budgeting is knowing the difference between needs and wants. Another great way to save money is by using student discounts and free options. Check what your college offers, like free t-shirt. It might not be stylish, but hey, they're free. Also, many websites and companies offer student discounts if you verify them with student ID. Apps like UniDays have discounts for brands like Adidas and Nike. And speaking of discounts, check out Twitter accounts like Fat Kid Deals and Today's Deals. They post crazy deals daily. I've seen discounts on everything from refrigerators to cameras. If you don't have a Twitter account, make one just for this. Now, one of the most important things is to track your transactions. Use your banking app to keep an eye on what's coming out of your account. Subscriptions like Apple Music and Spotify, they can sneak up on you. Make sure you know what you're paying for. To wrap up, here are the key takeaways. Number one, find a way to make money, job, allowance, or side hustle. Number two, limit your expenses. Be disciplined and find free or cheaper options. Number three, use discounts for students and follow deal accounts. And lastly, for number four, track your transactions to avoid unexpected charges. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. If you found this helpful, please leave a thumbs up and comment down below with something you learned. If you have any additional tips, share them in the comments. We're all in this together. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos for more content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.